Hey everybody, so today I'm going to show you how to fix a Henry cordless that won't turn on. As you can see, this is a Henry cordless and I really love the sound of it. We'll see. As you can see, I love that sound. So I won't play it, I can't play it on too long because it's early. So this Henry, it still works, but the problem, I'm showing you how to fix it if your Henry cordless is not turning on. Number one is what many people say is that the motor in it has overheated. If it is, then just let your Henry sit for 4 to 6 hours, or 3 to 6 hours, or a couple of hours, or overnight, and then the next morning just go and try again. That's the first thing to try. And then the second thing to do is the second easy fix is that your batteries run down. I'll show you your battery life on it. It's right here on the back of Henry. This one's got 3 lights. If your battery's full, all 3 lights will flash. If it's medium, then 2 lights will flash. But if it's low, then only 1 light will flash. But if it's dead, then all the lights will go out. And then, I'll show you how to charge it. You press this red button, or there's usually a pink button on Hetty cordless, but in this case it's a Henry cordless. Then take out the battery, insert it onto the charger, then plug in the charger and turn it on. Then when it's green, then it's going to turn red. That tells you the battery is charging. Then hours later, this light will turn green. That means the battery is fully charged. So I can't leave it too long. I'll tell you. Then when you're done, put the battery in and then try again. If that doesn't work, maybe your charger is not working, or maybe your electrical outlet's not working, or maybe the fuse had blown. So I already did a video on how to test the fuse to make sure it's not blown. So I'm gonna get my multimeter real quick. Now I've got my multimeter. I have my multimeter here. And the next thing you do is you set it to continuity test. Then you open this up in order to test the fuse. In this case, it's a 3 amp fuse. Yeah, a 3 amp fuse using another 3 amp fuse. And then next you do is you put it on there. This fuse is already good, but if it doesn't make a sound, that means the fuse is blown. You probably need to buy a new fuse and blow it out. Make sure you get the correct type of fuse and not a different fuse. Make sure it's the same. So in this case, our fuse is fine. We put the cover back on for now. We'll leave it like that for now. And then, or maybe electrical outlet's not working. I know you want a video on that. I will do a video on that. Another thing, maybe your battery's not clicked into place. Let's take out the battery to charge it. So I'll show you. You push it in. Push it until you hear this click, and then push it again until it pops out, and put it in until you hear a click, When you hear the click, that means your battery's clicked into place and it won't come out. Then it won't come out until you press this button on there, and then you're good to go. So if you like my video, please be sure to click the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Remember to ring that bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.